it's your girl Tech with Nat, and we're back with another video. If you're new here, hey sis, over here we dropped, or hey bro, excuse me, over here we dropped the business tea for free, boo. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And today we're gonna be talking about, should you still create a YouTube channel in 2020, and what are some YouTube video ideas you should do to make your channel blow the up. Okay, it's gonna blow up. I'm trusting you guys, it's going to blow up. And when it does, make sure you remember little old me. Okay, so first thing first, drop your Instagram name in the description. I want to follow each one of you guys, and either from my business page or my other page, Tech with Nat. I want to give you guys some YouTube ideas that I find that is working for me, and that's probably going to work for you if you are interested in starting a YouTube channel. Today's video, of course, is sponsored by Taylor Tech Shop. Taylor Tech Shop is a cute tech accessories business. Excuse me, I thought my phone was on silent. Taylor Tech Shop is a cute tech accessories business. We sell custom phone cases, custom phone grips, as well as cute chargers like this that you can purchase. The link will always be in the description, boo, because I own it and I technically don't have any other sponsors, so yeah. Anyway, moving into the video, I'm gonna give you guys 5 ideas on what you should do. Let's answer the question, should you still start a YouTube channel in 2020? And the answer is yes. Please do. If this pandemic didn't teach you anything at all, is to at least make some kind of revenue online, boo. Or live your best life. Any dream that you want to do, take it off on hold and do it now, because life is too short. So please take this time seriously to work on your goals, on yourself, because there's no other moment to live life than in the present. Okay, and that's motivational talk with Tech with Nat. So let's get into this YouTube ideas. The first idea you should do is to talk about YouTube. Give educational videos, supplying educational videos, especially educational videos about YouTube, because at the end of the day, YouTube is a business platform. They operate under Google as a business, and if you're promoting and talking about YouTube in your videos, 10 out of 10 times YouTube is gonna push your content so you can reach more and more people to watch your videos, like this video. So please subscribe. Thanks. Anyway, the second video idea, I'll definitely say, if you are a business or if you are in a specific kind of niche, make a video about your niche. So like as you can see, I don't know how much subscribers I'm gonna have by this video, but let's say I have 150 subscribers. Put it in the universe. So make it happen, you guys, please. I only have 150 subscribers, but the video that I was talking about, how to start a phone case business, if you have not seen that video and if you are interested in starting a phone case business, I'm gonna leave this video right here so you can click on it. But in that video got 3K views, you guys. Oh my gosh, is it 3K or 2K? I might be getting ahead of myself, but it was something K, and your girl was like, woo, 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 woo. I was so surprised, guys. So definitely talking about educational things like that will help you reach to other people who are searching that specific niche. So people are searching like how to start a phone case business or how to start a business in general. So making educational videos will definitely help your video to reach out there to them. Besides educational videos, you can do either a prank video or some kind of entertainment video that for a fact that people will enjoy watching, because sometimes I do be on YouTube, but I don't like looking up at educational videos all the time. I'll go watch a prank video, which leads me into idea number 4. Vlogging your daily life and the things you do in your daily life can be entertaining to some people. So definitely don't be scared to pick up your camera or pick up your phone, because you definitely don't need a high-tech camera or anything to start your YouTube channel. Pick up your phone and be like this, sis, like, oh my god, you guys, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my first video. Make sure when you create your first video, you tag me and let me know and say, hey girl, you inspired me to do my YouTube video. Thanks. So that was 4. And our last one will be either doing if you're into fashion and makeup, you know, either doing a fashion haul or you wouldn't see any fashion hauls over here because I'm in quarantine and, you know, this is the most made up I'm gonna get for a while. Okay. Anyway, you can either do a fashion haul or you can do a beauty makeup haul. Or you can vlog you doing your makeup, you know, step-by-step tutorial. Girl, I will watch you do your makeup because I need some help. Anyway, you can do that as well. So those are 5 ideas that will help your channel definitely grow, and YouTube will push it out more and more because people are actually searching for those things. So we can do a quick recap real quick. Create an educational video about YouTube. Create an educational video either about your business or whatever niche that you're in. The 3rd one will definitely be to do a prank video or some kind of entertaining video. The 4th one would be doing a daily vlog because people love vlogs. As well as the 5th one is, you know, fashion haul or makeup haul or do something that's pertaining to the beauty industry. I know this is a short video. Once again, I don't know, tell me if you like short videos or long videos. Let me know in the comments because my long videos, y'all don't be watching my long videos. So I'm trying to cut it down and make it short, you know. I just started my YouTube channel as well, so I just want to make this video to let you feel more comfortable and let you know that you can do it too. Like, no one expect me to start a YouTube channel. I didn't even expect myself to start a YouTube channel, but if I'm out here doing it, sis or bro, you can be out here doing it too, okay? Period. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. I am on the road to 200 subscribers, boo. Woo woo. So thank you so much, and thank you for our sponsors today, which is Taylor Tech Shop. Make sure you go grab a case or this strap charger, boo. And I'll see you guys in another video. And comment down video ideas, or comment down if you made a video, make sure you tag me in it because I want to support you guys and subscribe to you guys as well. Good luck on your YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.